English alle. Hi, I'm Sarath Krishnan. This is my mother, Geeta. We are from Thrissur right now standing at the Grand Elephant Feast at Vadakunathan Temple. Next. ചോദ്യം പറയ്. ഐതിഹ്യമൊക്കെ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടല്ല ചേട്ടാ. It is a ceremony happening in Kerala. It is known as Karkadagam. It is a month of Ramayana month, and this happens every July 16th. That is the Malayalam month first day, and it is considered as an auspicious month. Every time we keep on reading the Ramayana, we keep on reading the Bhagavad Gita, doing the chants, everything. So this month we are considered as the most auspicious one, and today it's Karkadagam first, and we dedicate the Ashtadrevyam to Lord Ganapati. And that's the part we are doing all these elephants here and doing the grand feast for the elephants. So right now we are at Vadakunathan Temple. This is known as the best elephant grand feast, and it is mixed with all the drevyas. It is the Ashtadrevyas and mixing all together and giving to the elephant. That is the ceremony.
മുമ്പിലേക്ക് ആൾക്കാർ ചേട്ടാ 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 സാറേ പതുക്കെ പതുക്കെ സാറേ താങ്ക് യു.
ഇഷ്ടമല്ല പൈനാപ്പിൾ ഇഷ്ടമല്ല പൈനാപ്പിൾ
ചേട്ടാ ചേട്ടാ ചേട്ടാ
നല്ല മഴ വരുന്നുണ്ട് നല്ല മഴ വരുന്നുണ്ട്
മലയാള I am Hariharan, Secretary, Vadakunan Kshetra Upadeshaka Samiti. This is the 42nd year we are conducting Ashtadravya Mahaganapati Homa and Aniyut. This year, 66 elephants are partaken in Aniyut. In the morning, by 5:30, Kshetram Tandri Pulyanur Shankaranarayanan Namboodiripad started the Ashtadravya Mahaganapati Homa. We have used 12,008 coconuts, 2,000 kg jaggery, 2,000 kg avid, like Ashtadravya conducted. By 9:30, Kshetra Merchandi, Sri Raj Narayan Nambudiri, given the first prize bowl to the Guruvayur Devi, the lady elephant Guruvayur Devi. Around 66 elephants are partaken in the Aniyut this year. This is the 42nd year we are conducting the Ashtadravya Mahaganapati Homa and Aniyut. From 82 for Asia, from Kerala, around 35 elephants are gone. They have got a lot of diseases. On that day, we are planned to propitiate Lord Ganapati, the Ashtadravya Mahaganapati Homa. This is the 42nd year. Without any hindrance, we are conducting this Aniyut. This is the 42nd year. It is gone very well.